Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia Clark and I am a life and business strategist and creator of supernaturallymeme.com, which teaches you how to live supernaturally in a natural world. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and check out my blog. Thank you for your support and let's get into today's video. Hi and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys the results from my latest wash and twist out. So I already washed and twisted my hair. My hair has actually been in twist for about a week almost. I think I washed my hair on Tuesday and today is now Sunday. So a little less than a week. I usually take my hair out about a day to 2 days after I wash. So this is going to be the first time that I have taken out my hair a little bit later in the week. So we'll see how it turns out. I also cut my bangs, so we'll see how that looks as well. I did a video recently that I will link in the description box regarding my daughter and the process that I use to wash her hair, and I can show you what products I use, and I can put the products in the description box. But I pretty much use the same process. So right now I'm just going to go through the process of taking out my hair once the twists have been in and are dry, and how I style my hair in a twist out. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to use right now is some coconut oil and a hair pick. So I'm going to put some coconut oil on my hands. So that, and just apply a little bit of oil to my hair. Like I said, my hair has been in these twists for a little less than a week. So they're like completely dry, but I hope that it's not too dry. And I'm just gonna coat my hands with the coconut oil and make sure I get my fingertips just so that my hands are kind of moisturized as I take out my twist. So what I'm doing is just untwisting in the opposite direction of the twist all the way to the ends until it is completely untwisted. So I'm gonna untwist all the twists first. And my arm is actually getting tired of untwisting. I don't know if it's because I'm out of shape or because I got my COVID shot the other day. I mean my COVID vaccine the other day. I'm gonna blame it on the vaccine because my arm is really tired right now. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. All right, so I just untwisted all of the twists. So this is my hair 5 days after washing, 5 days in the twists, and I've just untwisted. Now I'm going to separate and fluff with the pick. Until I get it pretty straight and where I can just easily separate. Now these front twists are actually a little bit puffy. All separated. So you decide how much you want to separate or not. I usually don't do too much because I like to keep my twist out as long as possible. So I feel like the less that I manipulate it now, the longer it'll hold, and over time it will naturally, the curls will naturally loosen up. So I'm just feeling for any big chunks that haven't been separated yet, or any twists that I've missed. Like this one. Okay, and now I'm going to love one to pick. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just kind of loosen up the roots. So that one, I don't have the parts from the twists. And also so my hair doesn't look so stiff. So all I'm doing is going in and then just lifting up a little bit at the root. Do not comb all the way through, because then you'll have something you don't want. Fingers. It's got a package. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these little bobby pins and pin down the hair where I want it to be pinned down. Separate it as much as possible. And what I'm gonna do is take some on one side and pin it. take some on this side and pin it down. And then just kind of fluff over the top. Alright, so here is the finished result. I think that the curls would have been a little bit more defined and a little less fuzzy had I taken it out sooner. However, I'm fine with the results. And the bangs, I think the bangs would look a little bit better if they were a little more defined. They're a little fuzzy as well, but that's okay. Over time, I think it'll look a little better. Okay, so what do you think? This is it. That's it. Well, thank you so much for joining. I hope that it was helpful, and I'll see you back here again soon.